Hello and welcome to Excel with Carrero. Today we're going to take a look at merging three different Excel documents into one document. So here I've got three documents inside a folder here, and I've created an accounting document, a corporate document, and a development document. And let's say that you've sent off a similar spreadsheet to all three departments, asking each department head to list the people in their department working on different projects or on a project. So you can see here under the development department, I've got four different people. They're all work obviously under the development department, their extension, the current project that they're working on, the number of hours that they've put in on that project. And let's say that I do have, just down here, down at the bottom, I do have a development department, a corporate department, and an accounting department that I've sent these off to. And I get these back from the departments in different files, and I want to merge them all into one file. So the simplest way to do that would be to open up a blank book, just like this. And we're going to go straight over to the data tab up top. And what we're going to do is we're going to merge these. So we're going to get the data, and we can do this from a specific file or a specific workbook, which would be fine. But because I'm going to be dealing with multiple files here, I'm going to go over to grab it from a folder. So I'm going to navigate to the folder that contains that information, and that's this one up here. And I'm going to click on open. When I open it, it's going to take its time loading up the files there. Oh, you can see it's got the temp files there. So you know what, just for the sake of cleanliness here, I'm going to close up the files that we're working with, because I don't want the temp files. So I'm going to go back. So now that that's clear, and I've only got one Excel sheet up, I'm going to go back down to File, Folder, Excel with Carrero, and I'll open it up. And you can see now I don't have those temp files there. You've got the files that I'll be working with. So I'm going to combine these files. And what I want to do is I just want to combine and load. Okay, so I'm going to hit combine and load. And it's going to take me to another screen here. And it's going to give me the options to select different information from the file. So I can see here I've got my accounting department, and if I hit select sheet 1, you can see the information that will be imported from sheet 1. I can go over to corporate, and you can see the information that will be imported from corporate, and you can see all that data there, right? And we'll just go down to development, and you can see that just the same. Okay, all the information that'll be imported from there. Okay, so once that's good, and I'm just going to hit skip files with errors. There are not going to be any errors, but I'm just going to hit that, and I'm going to hit OK. You'll see it'll take a second. It's going to process the queue. And you can see that it's consolidated everything into one nice file here. And you know, you've got here an additional column here with the source name, so the file that you've retrieved this from. This is just simply, you can delete this if you like, if you don't like it, and you can reformat this. You can reformat this document. So I'm just going to delete that, right? And there we go. We've got all the individuals from across different departments, their various projects, and the hours that they've worked. All right. I hope that this video has helped you out, and if it has, please make sure that you hit the like button down at the bottom, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, and take care.